Part 14 of our Indian Constitution that deals about the services under the Union and the states. Chapter 1 deals about the services, and Chapter 2 deals about the Public Service Commission. So, Public Service Commission like UPSC, State Public Service Commissions, that was deals in this Chapter 2. Chapter 2 deals about the Article 315 to Article 323 deals about the Public Service Commission rules and regulations that was explained in this articles. Article 315. According to Article 315, Public Service Commission for the Union and for the states. Public Service Commission. So, Union Public Service Commission was appointed by the autonomous statutory body, which was appointed by the President of India. Commission members and chairman of the commission appointed by the President of India, and State Public Service Commission is also appointed. So, State Public Service Commission to recruit government officials. Article 316 of our Indian Constitution, appointment and term of office of members who were appointed according to UPS Public Service Commission. So, their term and duration of the offices, the term and duration appointment of the members, that is explained in this Article 316. Article 317 of our Indian Constitution deals about the removal and suspension of the members of the Public Service Commission. Removal and suspension of the Public Service Commission if they may be committed to corruption and incapacity and misuse of authority. In this movement, they can be removed from their service according to 317 of our Indian Constitution, Article 317. Article 318 of our Indian Constitution, power to make regulations as to conditions of service of members and staff of the commission. Power to make regulations. UPSC has power to make regulations, conditions of the service members and staff of the commission according to this article. And Article 319 of our Indian Constitution, prohibition as to the holding of offices by the members of commission and ceasing to be such members. Prohibition as to the handling of offices by the members of commission and ceasing to be such members. Article 320. Functions of the Public Service Commission. So, functions of the Public Service Commission, that was clearly explained in this article. So, whatever the features and functions of the Public Service Commission in this Article 320. Article 321 of our Indian Constitution, power to extend functions of the Public Service Commission. Public Service Commission has power to extend functions of the Public Service Commission through Parliament resolution or any amendment. Powers or functions can be extended according to this article. Article 322 of our Indian Constitution deals about the expenses of the Public Service Commission. Expenses. So, expenses should be audited according to Comptroller Auditor General Rules and Regulations Audit Department. Expenses of the Public Service Commission. Article 323 of Indian Constitution deals about the reports of Public Service Commissions. Reports. Every year, annual reports must be reported to President of India, that may be introduced in the House of the Indian Parliament. So, these are Chapter 2 of our Indian Constitution deals about the Public Service Commission.